Okay, this is how to solve the problem when you start up your computer and your speakers don't play. You'll have to unplug your speakers and then plug them in again. But here's a fix for that, where you don't need to unplug and replug your speakers on startup. Okay, click Control Panel, click on Hardware and Sound, realtek, and here is where you play with the speakers. I have connected my jack for the speakers in the front panel, so I click on the green, that is where I connected it, and I click on front speaker out. It was on headphone, now I've changed it to front speaker out, and this is the settings. I press OK. Also change the red into headphone. I should actually change it to mic in, but for now let's leave it at headphone, and it works. So when I start up the computer, the sound automatically turns on.